अस्सलाम वालेकुम। ये है फर्स्ट एड इमरजेंसी का जो पार्ट 2 MCQs है। ये मैंने आप लोगों के साथ लेके आया है और आए चलते स्क्रीन की तरफ। नेक्स्ट है, a patient develop wheezing, facial swelling and hypotension shortly after exposure to an allergen. What is the most likely emergency? The correct answer is एनाफाइलेक्सिस। ये देखिए, एनाफाइलेक्सिस में ऐसा इम्प्रेशन होगा फेस का, ठीक है, फेशियल स्वेलिंग एडीमा होगा, यहाँ पे ये बीजिंग, एयरवे स्वेलिंग, हर एक MCQs के साथ इसी तरह आप लोग की में ना ये डायग्राम मिलेगा, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट है, what is the first line medication for severe anaphylaxis? The correct answer is एपिनेफ्रीन। एपिनेफ्रीन ये देखिए किस तरह लगाता है, एडमिनिस्ट्रेट आईएम लगता है, ये देखिए ऐसे, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट है, a patient has suspected heat stroke with altered mental status and very high body temperature. What is the priority? The correct answer is rapid cooling and emergency medical care. Next day, a patient present with major trauma, which finding is particularly concerned for internal bleeding. The correct answer is falling blood pressure with increased heart rate, tachycardia, and hypotension. Next day, a patient has a nosebleed. What is an appropriate first position? ये जो है ना ETEA MCQs में ज़रूर आता है, ठीक है, तो ये ध्यान से देख लें। तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर है सिट अप राइट एंड लीन स्लाइटली फॉरवर्ड। देखिए इस तरह, ये गलत है ये तरीका। नेक्स्ट है, पेशेंट इज choking but can still cup forcefully. What should you do initially? The correct answer is encourage continuously cupping and monitor closely. ठीक है, ये देखिए, learn follow to aid cupping, इस ऐसी पोजीशन पे रखनी है और मॉनिटर करनी है, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट है, which condition occur when the body cannot maintain adequate circulation to vital organ? The correct answer is shock. Next है, which organ is especially vulnerable to prolonged lack of oxygen during cardiac arrest? The correct answer is brain. Next, a patient has severe bleeding from an extremity does not stop with direct pressure. What may be required in life-threatening bleeding? The correct answer is tourniquet application. Tourniquet लगाने, ठीक है। Next है, which vital sign is especially useful for detecting respiratory compression? The correct answer is respiratory rate and oxygen saturation. Next, a patient suddenly develops severe shortness of breath, chest pain, and low oxygen saturation. Which immediate assessment is most important? The correct answer is airway and breathing. Next, which pulse is commonly assessed during adult CPR by a healthcare professional? The correct answer is carotid. ये देखिए, ये carotid artery है, common carotid artery, ये देखिए ये, लेकिन ऐसे ये नहीं करना है, देखिए ये बिल्कुल carotid artery के सामने इंडेक्स और मिडिल फिंगर से लोकलाइज करते हैं। Next, a patient has a suspected dislocation of the shoulder. What should we first aid focus on? Immobilize and medical elevation. Correct answer, ठीक है। Next है, which symptom is commonly associated with acute myocardial ischemia? The correct answer is pressure or squeezing chest discomfort. Next है, a patient suddenly become confused, sweaty and weak. Which immediate bedside ensurement may rapidly identify reversible emergency? The correct answer is blood glucose. Next है, a patient is found unconscious and has no normal breathing. Which action should not be delayed waiting for emergency service? The correct answer is start CPR. Next है, which emergency condition is characterized by sudden loss of consciousness caused by inadequate blood flow to the brain? The correct answer is syncope. Next, a patient has a chemical splash to the eye. What is immediate first aid measure? The correct answer is irrigate the eye immediately with plenty or clean water. या नॉर्मल सलाइन से या पानी से जो है ना हम क्या करेंगे, वॉश करते हैं, ठीक है। Next, a patient is suspected of having carbon monoxide poisoning. What is an important immediate action? The correct answer is move the patient to fresh air and seek emergency care. ये देखिए जिस तरह ये rescue moving patient, ये fresh air है, ठीक है। Next, which emergency finding indicate possible deterioration is in a trauma patient? The correct answer is decreased level of consciousness. Next, a patient develops sudden severe shortness of breath and one side absent breath sound after chest trauma. Which condition should be suspected? The correct answer is pneumothorax. Next, which condition involved dangerously high pressure within a muscle compartment after trauma and may treated limb perfusion? The correct answer is compartment syndrome. Next, which emergency medications reverse the respiratory represent effect of opioid? The correct answer is naloxone. Next, a patient suddenly develops severe chest pain and become unconscious. There is no normal breathing. What should be initiated immediately? The correct answer is defibrillation pathway. Next, a patient suddenly collapses, is unresponsive and has abnormal gasping. What should you consider this gasping to be? The correct answer is abnormal breathing associated with cardiac arrest. तो ये था हमारा 50 MCQs फर्स्ट एड रिलेटेड। आप मुझे कमेंट में बताना है कि आप लोगों में मतलब इस जो MCQs है इसमें कितने आप लोग को माइंड में थे और कितना आप लोगों ने गेन किए। तो काइंडली ये वीडियो लाइक भी करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक यू।